What's up, guys? I am Khoa Vũ.
And I'm Ngọc Hà.
We are teachers from the IELTS Workshop. Welcome to our Christmas vlog. Since the festive season and its alluring ambience is lurking around the corner, we have decided to take our viewers on a venture around the old part of Hà Nội.
A vibrant area in the heart of the capital city with a lot of things to see and do no matter the occasion.
So, do you like Christmas?
I mean, absolutely. I'm very big on Christmas. I mean, there's just something so healing about this holiday. You know, the streets always look so festive with all the Christmas trees and decorations during this time of the year.
Like that?
Yeah. And Christmas is also a great opportunity for me to, you know, splurge on myself and my loved ones. Yeah.
Good idea.
Or take time off to recharge myself and take stock of my life. Okay, so what about you, Pa?
Well, actually, I'm not a Christian and none in my family is, but as a little baby, I would just love the idea of being taken to the local church on the 25th of December to, you know, just celebrate.
Yes, that's nice.
The feeling of being a part of a cheerful crowd and having fun and making great memories with your loved ones.
Yeah.
Those just feel so amazing and heartwarming, and I love it.
I
even
agree.
up to now.
So, how do you usually celebrate Christmas?
I'm a Pisces, so I'm quite artistically minded, which makes me not really have a specific ritual for anything, honestly. But there are actually a few things that I do like to do when those bells start to ring.
Like what?
Probably like getting some comfort food with my friends, or just hanging around the church, as long as it is well decorated, of course. Or maybe getting some pasta. I love Italian pasta. Yeah, just random simple stuff like everyone. My Christmas celebration is usually not that special.
Yeah, but I still find that pretty interesting though.
Yeah, but how about you? Tell me about your plans.
So it actually varies from years to years. Yeah, last year was a little bit dull because, you know, COVID was still a thing, so I didn't do anything special. Having said that, I do have a list of things that I enjoy doing on this special occasion, and I really want to, you know, make up for last year.
Oh, wait, great idea.
Yeah.
So, I've heard you talking about your plans and ideas for Christmas. So, like what?
Well, you know, Christmas is a good excuse for being lazy. So for this year, I think I will call in sick to work and spend quality time with my friends and family.
Sounds like we have a few ideas in common. So, do you want to go on a Christmas expedition and share with our subscribers out there?
Sounds great to me.
Okay, let's get it.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, where are we?
Where's this place?
I'm lost.
Oh, I know. This is LệCH or Xuân.
Oh, really? I like it here. I mean, the view is breathtaking.
And the air is so fresh, right?
Yeah.
Actually, I get here quite often to take a stroll and unwind when I need to let my hair down a little bit. I like it that they are pedestrianizing central areas. It gives people the much needed space for recreational activities. I think it's a great idea.
Well, I wish I could be here more often, but recently I've been so caught up in my work. Yeah, so it feels incredible to leave all the deadlines behind. Yeah, just be outside and enjoy some fresh air. So, are you going to visit this place on Christmas Eve? You know, the streets tend to be jam-packed with people.
Oh, I really like it here, but I tend to shy away from such crowds. So normally I would just love to be here on, you know, any kind of holiday possible. But if it is actually that jam-packed, like you said, I would probably stay home or go somewhere else.
On Christmas?
Yeah, I'm just scared of crowds.
Okay.
Especially big crowds. So let's take a seat. Oh, it's so comfy here.
Yeah.
Oh, I almost forgot. There is this special place where they sell ornamental items and themed accessories all year round. Hàng Mã, you know. How about shopping spree first and then let's grab some hot drinks.
Great idea.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so hot. I like it here.
Yeah, how aesthetically pleasing.
Yeah, right.
And look at those dangling ornaments. How adorable. Yeah, no wonder why they can keep them on the shelf.
Oh, okay. That's actually really nice vocab.
Christmas vocab check. Snowman,
Wreath,
holly,
reindeer,
Christmas tree,
elf,
Christmas wrapping papers,
jingle bells, stockings,
Christmas stocking caps,
snow gloves.
Christmas headbands.
What?
Why don't we get some headbands?
It looks cute, but isn't it a bit childish to wear those?
No, I don't think so. I think we will look fabulous if we get some.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Actually, I kind of like it.
I mean, I told you.
Yeah, I found this crown, so I'm channeling my inner prince energy. That is the end of our Christmas shopping test, and right now I'm feeling a bit famished and dehydrated, so
Me
why don't
too.
we go grab some drinks and something to eat?
Good idea, because I have this place in my head and I think you will absolutely love it.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm down for anything.
Yes, let's go.
Cheers. What a nice place.
You like it?
Yeah, where'd you find it?
Well, me and my friends have been hunting for some Christmas-themed coffee shops, preferably somewhere with a fireplace and a sparkly, massive Christmas tree, so that, you know, we can immerse ourselves in the cozy ambience.
Yeah, that's hot.
And this place just happened to meet my expectations.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, coffee shops can be so quick when it comes to holidays. I mean, yeah, anytime, you can see that anytime there's a new like event, whether national or international, they would like quickly update their decorations or ornamental items to match with the ongoing theme. So I think it's such an amazing thing that you can step into your same old favorite coffee shop and never get bored, since it's constantly changing and adapting. Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
So, what's your order? What's
Well, my go-to beverage is usually matcha latte.
Yeah?
But for Christmas, I wanna, you know, spice it up a little bit. So I always reward myself with a nice hot cup of cocoa topped with grated chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, something that can, you know, cheer me up and give me energy in this freezing cold weather. What about yours?
No matter which festivity it is, I would still stick to my favorite drinks. Those would be fruit juice or smoothies like this. This is actually avocado smoothie, and I think, I believe that nutrition holds the key to staying mentally sharp as we age. So call me a young grandpa, but yeah, this is my favorite.
Okay. So your drink is quite the opposite of mine.
Yeah, but I mean, let's celebrate.
Okay.
Wow, looks like we have a piano here.
Yeah. Do you know how to play?
Nah,
Show us.
I said no.
So let me.
Can you try?
Yeah.
Speaking of music, do you have any Christmas songs recommendations?
Well, when it comes to Christmas, an indispensable song in my playlist is All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. I mean, it's just so iconic that I can't help singing along whenever this song is played in public places. Another song that I have been playing over and over again recently is Silent Night. Do you know this song?
I might have heard that, but I don't know the name.
It's a very popular Christmas carol.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I don't know, there's just something about the soothing harmony that really brings back many childhood memories, making me feel, you know, nostalgic.
About me, Michael Bublé. I listen to a lot of Michael Bublé songs, especially his Christmas albums. I mean, there's this song called It's Beginning to Look a Lot Like Christmas, that I've been listening to for years, and recently I can see a lot of people adding that song to their stories on social media, especially Instagram. So I think it's just great that it's becoming more popular. What's up, viewers? As we collaborate quite heavily at work, we thought it would be an amazing idea to swap presents with each other for this holiday.
And gift exchange is just an amazing Christmas ritual which allows us to express our gratitude towards our loved ones as well as spread joy. So we thought, you know, why not do that today?
Yeah.
And so far I have a present for you and I hope you like it.
Sure. Here you go.
Wow, I wonder what that is. I have something for you too.
What's that? Oh, that's big. Actually, this is your present.
No, this is my present as
Oh
well.
wow, so we tricked each other.
Yeah.
Check out what inside.
Wow, a bag. I didn't know this. How do you know I like this color?
I did some research.
Yeah, and I'm a huge fan of this, you know, lilac, purplish color. And I do need a bag because I have been trying to bring more home-cooked meals to work. So I really love this present. Thank you so much.
So let's see what's inside. This. Pepe the Frog. My favorite meme character of all time. So thank you. He looks like me actually. Bruh.
So that was such a great way to wrap up our Christmas vlog today. I've had such a blast today. I'm a tad worn out, but it was worth every single sweat.
I like it that it was not just a conventional video about English learning or English teaching.
Yeah.
It was also like a vlog where we shared our personal points of view and our personal experiences. So I hope it can be relatable to our audience out there.
I wish you a Merry Christmas
and Happy New Year.